149.
Oh shit. Okay, appreciate it. Yeah. This is Steak and Shake in America. Yup. Look good. That was a horrible fall. This cherry is pointless. What's this for? I ain't gonna eat it. Yeah. And this is what I got. Just some burgers and a hot dog. But that's it for today. Boom.